What is HTML attributes? All HTML elements can have attributes, and all of them provide additional information about the elements. Attributes are always specified in the start tag, and usually come in the name value pairs like name value. The A tag defines a hyperlink. The href attribute specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. The img tag is used to embed an image in a HTML page. The src attribute specifies the path to the image to be displayed. There are two ways to specify the URL in the src attributes. We have absolute URL and relative URL. Now let's talk about width and height attributes. The img tag should also contain the width and height attributes, which specifies the width and height of the image in pixels. The required alt attribute for the img tag specifies an alternate text for an image if the image for some reason cannot be displayed. This can be due to a slow connection or an error in the src attributes, or if the user uses a screen reader. The style attributes is used to add styles to an element such as color, font size, and more. The title attributes define some extra information about an element. The value of the title attribute will be displayed as a tooltip when you mouse over the element. Well, that's it for today. I will see you in the next video of this series. Make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload the next tutorial. Bye.